The war in Ukraine has proven that modern drones have a significant impact on the course of hostilities. It seems that their importance on the modern battlefield will continue to grow. An unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, is a combat drone that is capable of carrying aircraft munitions, such as missiles, anti-tank guided missiles and bombs, and is used for reconnaissance, target detection and tracking. These drones are usually controlled in real time, but they can also operate with varying degrees of autonomy. In recent years, the world's largest armies have put more and more emphasis on unmanned combat vehicles, which are gradually becoming the most dangerous and effective weapons on the modern battlefield. And today we have a list of the 10 most dangerous military UAVs in the world. Baykar Bayraktar TB2. This Turkish-made drone has proven itself in the war with the orcs. It has already destroyed a lot of equipment of the invaders. It is even said to have played an important role in the glorious sinking of the Moskva cruiser. The Bayraktar TB2 is considered a male-class unmanned aerial vehicle capable of performing intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) and combat missions with use of guided weapons. The Bayraktar tactical UAV was developed by a joint venture between Baykar Makina and Kale Group. This drone is a perfect system for reconnaissance missions and combat operations. Bayraktar TB2 has a monocoque design integrated with an inverted V-shaped design. The fuselage is made of carbon fiber, Kevlar and hybrid composites, while the connecting segments are made of aluminum parts. The engine is located between the tail beams. Each Bayraktar TB2 system consists of 6 aircraft, 2 ground control stations, GCS, 3 ground data terminals, GDT, 2 remote video terminals, RVT, and ground support equipment. The drone has a length of 6.5 meters, a wingspan of 12 meters and a maximum takeoff weight of 650 kilograms. It is capable of carrying a load of 150 kilograms and working both day and night. General Atomics MQ-1 Predator. This is the first real killer drone. It was developed in 1994 by the American corporation General Atomics. Its creation was the beginning of a real revolution in the world of combat drones. The ability to carry out remote attacks, which saves the lives of personnel, rapid and anonymous destruction of targets, of course, was appreciated the US military, who first used Predator to destroy Taliban firing emplacements in Afghanistan. A typical Predator configuration includes 4 aircraft, 1 ground-based control system, and 1 Trojan Spirit 2 data distribution terminal. The Predator is 8.2 meters, 27 feet, long and 14.9 meters, 49 feet, wide. The system operates at an altitude of 7620 meters, 25,000 feet, and at a range of 740.8 kilometers. The Predator can be in the air for more than 40 hours and has a cruising speed of more than 129.6 kilometers per hour. General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper. The improved Predator model was named the MQ-9 Reaper and quickly proved its name. It was first used in 2007 in Afghanistan, destroying a rebel car. A month after this event, the MQ-9 Reaper already had several dozen units of destroyed equipment, and when it began to be used, not only by the Americans, but also by the British, Italians and French, this number increased significantly. The drone is very often used in reconnaissance missions, but it carries almost 1.5 tons of weapons not by chance. Although it is not the most technologically advanced drone by modern standards, it is one of the most powerful and widespread in the world. With many updates, millions of hours of operation, the Reaper has become a billboard for modern drone warfare. IAI Eitan, Heron TP. This drone, developed in Israel, is one of the most classified, despite the fact that it first took up to the air in 2004. It was created by Israel Aerospace Industries, a division of Mallet, and is an updated version of IAI Heron. Yes, it first became known in 2004, but only in 2006 did the developers announce that the drone would soon make its first flight. And only at the end of 2007 it was finally presented to the general public. IAI Eitan can be used for surveillance, target detection or reconnaissance, and is capable of performing combat tasks such as missile defense and long-range strategic strikes. In addition, the drone is equipped with a mid-air refueling system. Its large size, 13 times 26 meters, and payload, 2 to 4.6 tons, allow it to carry not only missiles and bombs, but also kamikaze strike drones. The carrying capacity of the drone is 2,700 kilograms, the maximum takeoff weight is 5,400 kilograms. The length of the aircraft is 13 meters, the wingspan is 26 meters. The combat unmanned aerial vehicle can develop a maximum speed of 407 km per hour and has an operating range of about 7,400 km. IAI Eitan is capable of staying in air for 30 hours or even a little more, with an operating ceiling of about 14,000 meters. It is powered by Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6 to 67A engines. CASC Rainbow CH-4 UAV. The Rainbow 4, or Kai Hong 4 UAV, model, created by CASC, is not the only model in the company's portfolio, but it can definitely be called the most recognizable. It was specially designed for high-altitude missions over land and sea. In addition, it can fire its weapons from a distance of up to 5,000 meters. The Rainbow CH-4 UAV has a retractable mast with an electro-optical sensor and a data transmission channel to the ground control station. The drone boasts a modern remote control station with direct visibility and satellite communications. Control is carried out by 2 persons. The Rainbow CH-4 drone is capable of firing an air-to-ground missile from an elevation of 5,000 meters, so it can stay out of the effective range of most enemy air defense systems. This also allows the CH-4 UAV to fire from a position that provides a wider field of view. Elbit Hermes 900. The Elbit Hermes 900 is a tactical medium-altitude long-range unmanned aerial vehicle designed primarily to enable the Israeli Defense Forces (IDF) to conduct intelligence, surveillance and target recognition (ISTAR) operations. The Hermes 900 is a larger, better and more sophisticated version of the Hermes 450, famous for its successful airstrikes on the Gaza Strip in 2008 to 2009. A newer version saw its use for the same purposes recently, in the summer of 2014. The Hermes 900 UAV was designed to provide maximum endurance. In addition, flight efficiency and reduced fuel consumption were increased. Operations with the integrated satellite communication terminal out of line of sight may be performed from the nose of the aircraft. The UAV has a length of 8.3 meters, a wingspan of 15 meters, and a payload of 350 kilograms. It boasts an internal 2.5 meters payload compartment and external wing anchorages that support adjustments to suit different customer requirements. The Hermes 900 UAV is equipped with one Rotax 914 turbo engine. Manufactured by the leading Austrian aircraft engine supplier BRP Rotax, the engine has the output of 74.6 kilowatts. The Hermes 900 drone can fly at a maximum altitude of 33,000 feet. The maximum and cruising speeds of the aircraft are 222 km per hour and 103 km per hour, respectively. The maximum flight time of the drone is about 40 hours, and the maximum takeoff weight is 1,180 kilograms. General Atomics MQ-20 Avenger. General Atomics Avenger is an advanced military drone in service with the U.S. Army. It was first launched in 2009. It is a next-generation jet engine unmanned aircraft system, UAS, designed and manufactured by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, Georgia Aussie, to provide enhanced rapid response and improved combat capability for the U.S. Air Force and Allied forces. The unmanned aircraft system has a length of 13 meters and a wingspan of 20 meters. The maximum takeoff weight of the UAS is 8,255 kilograms, and the fuel capacity is 3,583 kilograms. Internal and total carrying capacity make 1,588 kilograms and 2,948 kilograms accordingly. The UAS jet engine is equipped with a hybrid electric-mechanical anti-lock braking system. The MQ-20 Avenger can be equipped with a variety of combat-proven weapons, including AM-114 Hellfire ground-to-air anti-tank missiles, 250-pound GBU-39 small-diameter bombs, and GBU-12 GBU-49 paveway-2 laser-guided bombs weighing 500 pounds, GBU-16 bombs with laser guidance weighing 1,000 pounds, and GBU-48 bombs with precision guidance. It can also carry GBU-31, GBU-32, and GBU-38 Joint Direct Attack Ammunition (JDAM) guided bombs. This list of weapons is really impressive. The manufacturer has also equipped the Avenger with means that reduce its visibility to enemy radars, which, combined with its combat capabilities, makes it one of the most dangerous military drones in the world. This invisible Avenger inflicts real terror on the enemy. Yabhon United 40. The Yabhon United 40 is a multi-purpose drone that serves mainly in the Algerian army and is manufactured by the United Arab Emirates. In addition to military operations, the drone can also perform reconnaissance and humanitarian tasks. The Yabhon United 40 UAV was unveiled at the 2011 Dubai Air Show and demonstrated at the International Defense Exhibition and Conference (IDEX) in Abu Dhabi in February 2013. The first flight took place in March 2013. The United 40 UAV has a curved double longitudinal design with a tandem wing configuration. It is equipped with a retractable tricycle gear for safe takeoff and landing. The drone has a length of 11.13 meters, a height of 4.38 meters, and a wingspan of 20 meters. The curb weight and maximum takeoff weight of the aircraft are 520 kilograms and 1,500 kilograms, respectively. The total lifting area is 24.3 square, and the fuel tank capacity is 900 liters. Yabhon United 40 can be equipped with Yabhon Namrod air-to-ground missiles in a rotary launcher, Yabhon Thunder cruise missiles, Finmeccanica torpedoes, and guided bombs. EADS Barracuda. EADS Barracuda was developed by Airbus in competition with other European drone programs. This is a very interesting drone, although it has a shorter flight range and endurance compared to competitors. EADS Barracuda is a jet drone designed for air reconnaissance and combat missions. Unmanned aerial vehicle is made entirely of carbon fiber, including arrow-shaped wings. It has a length of 8.25 meters and a wingspan of 7.22 meters, a maximum takeoff weight of 3,250 kilograms. The unusual shape of the arrow-shaped horizontal tail and outward sloping fins makes it different from other drones in this class. Outwardly, it is more like a plane, but smaller in size. The drone is designed to carry 300 kilograms of high-precision ammunition in the inner compartment, which opens almost instantly, leaving no chances for the enemy. Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik-B. The first Russian combat stealth drone was a continuation of the previous MiG project called SCAT. The orcs call it Strike and Reconnaissance Unmanned Complex, but in fact it is a large combat drone built in a flying wing concept. Although the design of the flying wing has been rejected by all developers in the world. The drone has a conventional AL-31 turbojet engine with an unmodified nozzle. The most interesting thing is that all the tests were not very successful. The Okhotnik is designed to pair with the 5th generation Su-57 jet fighter, but both have shown that there can be no interaction. During training flights there were always problems, the drone often failed. It was supposed to be adopted by the Russian Air Force in 2024, but now clearly it won't be, because most of the components were from Western manufacturers. And sanctions do their job.